on these bitches' necks, I ain't playing nice. I peeped you bitches out, y'all ain't moving right. How you got 200,000 with 400 likes? Hoes need to read a book instead of booking flights. I see you wearing all your home girl.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, tonight, y'all see what's going on. Y'all know it's in the bag. Y'all know it's in the bag. Y'all know it's in the bag. Y'all, I am at my parents' house. So I got my dad over there. I got my daughter over there. So y'all will hear background noise. I'm sorry about the TV, but it is what it is. So let's get into it. All right. So we got some, oh, this bag long. We got some potatoes, some crawfish, some sausage, some shrimp, and some corn. Ooh. My dad surprised me with this, y'all. I didn't even know I was getting it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. This is juicy. Oh my God. It's super juicy. Oh, I'm about to be dipping. I'm about to be dipping. Double dipping, triple dipping. Because I can do that. It's my food. Ooh, there's so much sauce in the bag. Oh. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, because that tastes good.
But soon we will. We've been working with vaccine manufacturers, Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, to manufacture and purchase hundreds of millions of doses of these 3 safe, effective vaccines. And now, at the direction and with the assistance of my administration, Johnson & Johnson is working together with a competitor, Merck, to speed up and increase the capacity.
Oh, this is good.
New Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which is 1 shot.
Let me tell you something.
In fact, just yesterday,
I don't play about my seafood.
I announced.
I'm not leaving nothing behind. I don't care if I got to sit here for an hour. I'm not leaving nothing behind.
To buy an additional 100 million doses of Johnson & Johnson vaccine. These 2 competitors have come together for the good of the nation.
Hold on, y'all. Let me get some sauce.
Ooh. Just like we saw during World War II. Now, because all the work we've done, we'll have enough vaccine supply for all adults in America by the end of May. That's months ahead of schedule. And we're mobilizing
So good.
vaccinators to put the vaccine
So good. Got a lot of sauce in this bag. I see it. Into this crawfish. I did it wrong. I normally look at the body first. Excuse me.
Just like you get your flu shot. We're also working with governors in red states and blue states.
I got a bowl back there for my trash.
Federally supported vaccination centers that administer
I like the shells and stuff.
hundreds of thousands of shots per day. You can drive up to a stadium or a large parking lot, get your shot, never leave your car, and drive home in less than an hour.
I don't know what's going on with this one.
We're sending vaccines to
Don't chew me up, because
all across America, located in underserved areas.
I do know how to crack crawfish. I don't know what was up with this one though. This one is big. That might have been the biggest one I ever seen.
And we've been focused on serving people in the hardest hit communities of this pandemic. Black, Latino, Native American, rural communities. So what does all this add up to? When I took office 50 days ago, only 8% of Americans after months, only 8% of those over the age of 65 have gotten their first vaccination. today, that number is 65%. Just 14% of Americans
This is so good.
over the age of
It's
75,
flavorful.
50 days ago had gotten their
This is
first
super
shot.
flavorful.
Today, that number is well over 70%. With new guidance from the Center for Disease
You could
Control
taste
and
like
Prevention,
you got
the CDC,
the garlic.
that came out on Monday. It means simply this: millions and millions of grandparents who went months without being able to hug their grandkids can now do so.
Look,
And the more people are
garlic.
vaccinated,
I love garlic.
the CDC will
It is good for
continue
you.
to provide
I eat a lot of it actually.
on what you can do in your workplace, places of worship with your friends, as well as travel. When I came into office, you may recall, I set a goal with many of you citizens that kind of way over the top. I said
Seafood.
I intended to get 100
It's
million
spicy.
shots of people's arms in my first 100 days in office. Tonight,
You finished your chicken nugget?
I'm going to recap for
Let me see your bowl. Hold on, y'all. Had to be in mommy mode right quick. Put some corn on here. Some more crawfish. Some more shrimp. The drip. It's the drip for me. It's the drip for me. I'm in love. See what this corn doing. See what it's about.
Beating our current pace of 2 million shots a day, outpacing the rest of the world. Secondly, at the time when every adult is eligible and met, we will launch with our partners new tools to make it easier for you to find the vaccine and where to get the shot, including a new website that will help you first find the place to get vaccinated and the one nearest you. No more searching day and night.
I got all the juice
for you
in
and
it.
your loved ones.
Literally.
Thirdly, with the passage of the
All of
American
it.
Rescue Plan, and I thank again the House and Senate for passing it, and my announcement last month of a plan to vaccinate
Boys.
teachers and school staff, including bus drivers, we can accelerate massive nationwide effort to reopen our schools safely. And meet my goal that I stated at the same time about 100 million shots.
Look at the garlic on there.
Majority of K through 8 schools in my first 100 days in office. This is going to be the #1 priority of my new Secretary of Education.
My dad got crab legs.
Fourth,
He over there cracking away.
we will issue further guidance on what you can and cannot do once fully vaccinated. To lessen the confusion,
Can't tell him nothing. He over there cracking away.
encourage more people to get vaccinated. And finally, fifth, and maybe most important,
He over there watching the news, Joe Biden on
I promise
TV.
I will do everything in my power.
All day people been calling him Moneybag Yo.
To repeat this.
Moneybag Yo. Funny. Funny. Those are all with the salt.
And to help your family, your friends, your neighbors get vaccinated as well. Because here's the point. If we do
Like the noise off. Turn later.
if we do our part, if we do this together, by July the 4th, there's a good chance you, your families and friends, will be able to get together in your backyard or in your neighborhood and have a cookout or a barbecue and celebrate Independence Day.
Fool, I'm gonna do that without the shots.
There's lots of people together in the community.
Oh my god.
We'll be able to get together.
Oh
And
my
there's a
god.
law here that will make this
Joe Biden's talking about
something truly
if you get the vaccine, you go back to doing normal stuff.
we not only mark our
My dad said he doing whatever he want to do.
we begin to mark our independence from
With or without it. He said, don't tell me what to do.
to get there, we came out of our guard down. This fight is far from over. As I told a woman in Pennsylvania, I will tell you the truth.
I'm over it.
But July 4th with your loved ones is the goal. But a goal
I'm over COVID.
Conditions can change.
Really am. I'm over the whole mask thing. I'm over it all. This shrimp is ripped in half. But guess who won't eat it? Me.
We've got work to do to ensure that everyone has confidence in the safety and effectiveness of all 3 vaccines. So my message to you is this. Listen to Dr. Fauci, one of the most distinguished and trusted voices in the world. He assured us
This sauce is
vaccines are
good.
safe. And we want rigorous scientific review. I know they're safe. Vice President Harris and I know they're safe. That's why we got the vaccine publicly in front of cameras. So for the world to see, so you can see too.
My paper so squishy in here. I don't think so. I think it's only just some 2 little pieces. I don't think so, y'all.
We need everyone to get vaccinated.
So good.
We need everyone to keep washing your hands, stay socially distant, and keep wearing masks as recommended by the CDC. Because even if we develop every resource
I thought that was gonna splash. No cap.
beating this virus and getting back to
No
normal
cap.
depends on national unity. And national unity isn't just how politics and politicians vote in Washington. What the loudest voices say on cable or online.
Y'all.
Unity is what we do together as fellow Americans. Because if we don't stay vigilant and the conditions change, then we
This sauce is so bomb.
restrictions to get back on track. And please, we don't want to do that again. We've made so much progress. This is not the time to let up.
Got some lemon water.
And the hope that is not the time to not stick with the rules. We'll close with this. We've lost so much over the last year. We lost friends and friends. We lost businesses.
And yes, y'all.
We spent years
I eat everything.
We lost
Everything.
time,
Legit.
time with each other. And our children were blessed with
Just like, you know, if you was eating blue crabs or something like that.
no graduation ceremonies this spring. No graduation from college, high school.
And like people from Maryland call it middle. I think mustard.
We lost faith in
I eat it.
and our
I eat it all.
democracy can deliver on really hard things for the American people. But as I stand here tonight, we're proving once again something I've said time and time again to our retired leaders. I say it's a foreign leader with dimensional life. It's never, ever a good bet
This sauce is good.
against the American people.
I got hot,
America is coming
but
back.
it's not even hot hot
The
for us.
development, manufacture,
It's
distribution
too hot for me to give Kamari y'all, but
is a true
it's not hot
American
enough for me. Should got extra hot.
achievements any country has ever accomplished. We also just saw the Perseverance rover land on Mars. Stunning images of our dreams that are now reality. Another example of the extraordinary
Super
mental
good.
ingenuity, commitment, and belief in science. And one
I
another.
found a sausage.
I signed the law, the American Rescue
Super
Plan,
good.
an historic piece of legislation.
Super duper
We
good.
immediately need to look into people.
They got a little sausage.
$1,400 in direct rescue checks, payments. That means a typical family of 4 earning about $110,000 will get checks for $5,600 deposited if they have direct deposit or in a check, a treasury check. It extends unemployment benefits. It helps small businesses, lowers healthcare premiums for many. It provides food and nutrition, keeps families in their homes. And will cut child poverty in this country in half, according to the experts. And it funds all the steps I just described to beat the virus and create millions of jobs.
So,
Every week and months,
so bomb.
I'll be traveling along with the First Lady, the Vice President, the Second Gentleman, members of my cabinet, to speak directly to you, to tell you the truth about how the American Rescue Plan meets the moment. And if it
That's how I drip from my lip.
but it will not about how after long, dark years, one whole year, there is hope and light and better days ahead. If we all do our part, this country will be vaccinated soon. Our economy will be on the mend. Our kids will be back to school. We will have proven once again that this country can do anything.
Now,
Hard things. Big
we got
things,
this from
important
like
things.
Chinese people,
Over a year ago,
like a Chinese restaurant.
no one could imagine
And
what we were about
honestly,
to go through.
the shrimp is a little overcooked, but it's bomb.
We're coming through it. It's a shared experience.
I feel like this sauce make up for all.
We're bound together by the loss and the pain of the days that have gone by.
It makes up for it. Like this sauce is so good. It don't make no sense.
The possibilities, the days in front of us.
Like, I could eat this all day. It's that good.
And after all we went through,
Crazy.
it's one people, one nation, one America.
Whoop.
I believe we can and we will. We're seizing this moment. In history, I believe we record. We faced and overcame one of the toughest and darkest periods in this nation's history.
Really got no juice now.
He's created the darkness.
I promise you. We're now strong.
Politics.
With a renewed
I
faith
don't
in
get into
ourselves,
them. Maybe I
a
should.
renewed commitment to one another, to our communities and to our country. This is the United States of America. And there's nothing, from the bottom of my heart, I believe there's nothing we can't do when we do it together. So God bless you all. And please, God, give solace to all those.
Anybody else do a happy dance when you get some food? Especially food that you love.
Thank you for taking the time with us.
I love seafood. Like, you can't tell me nothing about it. It don't nothing top it. Nothing.
In his first live address to the country of his presidency, the strange address surreal at once, like the president himself, felt a little bit like a dream sequence. The first part of the president's address described the sadness of the last year. People shut up in hospitals as their loved ones died alone, people losing hope, people losing businesses, children not being able to go to school. A whole generation, the president said, children stunted by school closures.
So good.
No sense at all how any of this
So good.
they're the president's showing their empathy. His plan consisting essentially of
Piece of shit.
vaccines and more vaccines. But Nathan said, you'll get a vaccine for every person in America. The military will give you that shot. And if you take that shot, things potentially could get back to normal. So, don't install people might not want to take that shot. But the president said, if you take that shot, you're wearing a mask.
Look at all the garlic.
It's possible, not sure, but
All of the garlic.
you might be able to do that in small groups with the ones you love.
All of the garlic. So good. I found another sausage.
If you're obedient, you'll get it. Who are you talking to?
So good.
This isn't free people. This is a free country. How dare you tell us we can spend a fourth of July like that?
I can listen next time.
How embarrassing it would be next time on is going to become a reaction, or a strange reaction to the president's address.
Y'all.
His response to COVID administration really
Did I find another one?
itself.
I found another one. That's it. That's all that's in the bag. Y'all.
Still desperately afraid of the coronavirus, where cases have fallen 90% since January and hospitalization
Let me some of these clothes right quick.
You know, we know
Oh,
that risk from this and how most of us are at very, very low to no
I don't really do too much for them. I just show them, and if I feel like fooling with the meat, I will.
is not the world that I inhabit, where my kids have seen my mother for the last year, where I get together with friends if I like, where I went to Florida, and I know many, many Americans.
Yeah, I'm not about to fool with them right now.
And you know, where the Texas Rangers are going to have a full ballpark at Arlington for opening day. So, you know, he can
Nothing but garlic on here.
Independence Day to meet his best friends.
And I love it because it's fresh garlic.
The only good thing about the convince people that the vaccine saved us all, when in reality, if you look at the trends, we are headed in a very, very good direction and have been for 2 months, even though most people, haven't been close to.
I'm so happy. I might not look happy. I am happy. I'm happy. I got some seafood.
You can't go into buildings or just stay in a hotel. You can't live life without a vaccine. And I have to say, after watching half an hour of that, it wouldn't shock me if that is their plan.
Yeah. Oh, good.
It could be going that way, and that's something that, we're going to have to keep an eye on. And those of us who believe in the Constitution and believe in the rights of people to make decisions about their health and their children's health for themselves are going to have to,
That's why a lot of juice on the outside.
if it happens. But he didn't mention that, right? He was very, very nonchalant about what might happen if he didn't, take the.
And a lot of juice on the inside.
Yeah, no, it's a really good point. I hope you will come back on the topic transparency. It's really amazing. I agree. One of the best I've ever seen. So, the president, as you just saw, talked about
Wrong.
restaurant owners losing their businesses, and so many have. Ray Walksburg,
It gotta at least be like 2 cups of juice in that bag.
as he did a year ago,
It's crazy.
to assess the future of small business and restaurants in this country. Yet you just saw the president talk about
It's
the
crazy. It's a lot of juice in there.
to small business owners without ever suggesting who did this and how did this happen. It was as if he was not connected to it at all.
Well, Tucker, a year ago, when I came on your show, we were just going into the shutdown. 110,000 restaurants are shut down. What we're talking about is a phony economy you're trying to create around this. They don't understand how difficult it is to operate a small business in the United States. The regulations the government has put onto us since this has happened is just mind-boggling what it's
Oh, this is a big piece of crawfish. It's huge.
rent abatements that we now have to pay back, to all types of regulations on sanitation and things. It's very, very difficult to operate in this environment. They claim like it's going to be some kind of law land at the end of this. Not at all. We're in the worst times we could possibly have. Even with the opening up, the regulations are just astounding nationwide. What's happening?
So the Congress just passed President signed a nearly $2 trillion spending bill. Really never seen anything like it. You just said there's been over 100,000 restaurants out of business. Will any of that money go to them or only Democratic Party interest groups?
Well, what they've set it up to is they're saying if you have less than 20 restaurants,
I don't know why I've been peeling shrimp on my left hand. Like, that's my dominant hand or something.
last summer, we had to get these things forgiven for small business. They sit on people's balance sheets. You can't go out and raise new money from either private investors or from banks because you're stuck with this incredible amount of debt on your balance sheet. And the Biden administration and the SBA, who doesn't have an administrator yet, doesn't seem to be taking much effort to help small businesses out.
When this shit lasts.
Ray Walksburg, when we spoke a year
Piece of
ago,
seafood.
I never imagined we would have the same kind of conversation a year later that you did not. I appreciate you coming back to us. Thank you.
Absolutely.
It's one juicy.
So the president spoke for a long time, longer than advertised. He really did a part of his address. Alex Marlowe is the editor of the Chief of Breitbart News. He's also the author of the upcoming book, Breaking the News, Exposing the Establishment Leading Food Wars and Secret Corruption in Online. That book is out May 18th. Alex Marlowe joins us tonight. Thanks so much for coming on. What do you think Biden left out today?
All right, y'all. That's it. That's it. I'm about to go over there and dig in my dad's plate and see what he got left over there, because I know he got some left. And I'm about to go over there and sneak some. But y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what your girl, Jasmine King, can improve on. What can I improve on? You know? Y'all know I did improve on the lighting and the sound. But I don't got my ring light right now because I'm not home. So, and I didn't even know I was going to make a video today. But y'all, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl, Jasmine King, post us a new video. Because don't y'all want to see me? Don't y'all like my videos? Alright, y'all. I'm out. Bye.
I'm on these bitches' necks, I ain't playing nice. I peeped you bitches out, y'all ain't moving right. How you got 200,000 with 400 likes? Hoes need to read a book instead of booking flights. I see you wearing all